Hello, welcome to Mr. MathWell's guitar lessons. I'm just going to do a quick review of our first 2 lessons in beginner lessons with Mr. MathWell. So what we learned about was we learned about the parts of the guitar real quickly. We learned that this was the head, this is the neck, this is the body of the guitar. Acoustic guitars have a sound hole where most of the sound comes out. These little silver pegs here are what we turn to tune the strings if they're out of tune. More on that later. So we also learned how to hold our pick, so between the thumb and the forefinger, something like that. You could also, some people hold it with these two. I wouldn't recommend that when you're just starting. I would recommend this, a little more control. Make sure you have the pointy end that sticks away from your fingers there. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn that sideways, and we're going to use that to pluck the strings. And when I say pluck the strings, I mean like put the pick on top of the string and then just go like that, so it makes a sound just like that. Okay? We're not going to strum all the strings just yet. Those chords are coming. We're going to take a look at one string at a time. So open, when you play a string open, that means you play the string with no fingers pressing. We don't put our fingers from the top pressing down. We put our hand underneath, and actually the L shape in our hand right there, so that little L shape, okay, that goes, the guitar neck kind of rests in there. So we kind of put like this, and we go like this so that the guitar rests in that little L shape of our hand, okay? That's how you start. Not like this, okay? Not like this where the neck is all on the inside the palm like that, okay? And certainly not over the top, right? We always come from underneath. So we're going to use either our number 1 finger, 2, 3, or 4 fingers for playing the chords. And when we play open, so I'm going to focus on the top 6th string. This is an E. The string notes are E for the 6th, A for the 5th, D for the 4th, G for the 3rd from the bottom, B is the 2nd from the bottom, and little E again is the bottom. So the top note and the bottom note should make the same sound. All right? Okay, so open is no strings pressing. If I say we're going to press on the 1st fret now, that's the first space up there. Okay, so the space between this is called the nut, and these metal things are called frets. But the first fret where you play is the space, okay? So this is the top 6th string pressing the 1st fret. Now we slide that here to the 2nd space, that's 2nd fret. This is 3rd fret, okay? So that's how that works. Now, the first lesson was to learn how to hold the pick, to learn what plucking means, to learn how to put your hand like this, and to learn how to use your fingers to press on the frets. Now the frets are the spaces in between the metal things like that, okay? And then we learned the blues song. So blues, kind of like blues, you know, bam, 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 bam. Okay? That's easy to play. It's only 3 notes. It's on the top string, okay, the big thick one right here. It's open, and then with whatever finger you feel comfortable with right now, I'm going to use my number 1 finger. Open 5, 5, that's the 5th fret twice. Then slide down to the 3rd, and then open, okay? Open 5, 5, slide down to the 3rd, 3rd, open. Open 5, 5, 3rd, open. I was walking to school one day, bum, bam, 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 and my math books fell in the puddle. Bum, 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 bum. I turned around and was so sad. Bum, 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 bum. But I left those math books in the puddle and went on my way. Da, da, da. Now, no one would sing a song like that because math is awesome. When you want to rescue those math books, math is great. But that would be like a blues song. Okay, and you can kind of really get good at that. It's only 3 notes. Now, first lesson. That was first lesson. Second lesson, we're going to focus on the little string here now. Okay? And we are going to use our 1 fingers again to learn 1 finger chords. And so you can use any finger you like. I'm going to use my number 1 finger. But if you press here on the 3rd fret, that's like a G. Okay? That's going to be the note that we're going to play for a G chord. We're going to play open, the bottom string open, for a C chord. And then press the 2nd fret for a D chord. Okay? So it's going to be G, open, C, 2nd, D. Okay? Okay? So we're going to sing Jesus Loves Me. It goes like this. Jesus loves me, this I know. Open. For the Bible, G, tells me so. Notice I am using my thumb. My hand is not like this, okay? It's not like this, okay? You want to be careful your hand's not like this, your palm in the back. You want just your thumb at the back, pressing with your finger, okay? Or this part of your hand, okay? You can use this part too. But thumb back there, not your hand up like this. You don't want to do this, okay? Not with your thumb way up at the top, okay? So these are the chords G, C, D, okay? So, Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong. They are weak, but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Just G, C for most of the song. Yes, here we go. Jesus, D, loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Now I'm switching fingers, but you can use the same finger for both chords when you start. Okay? So that's G, C, D. And we're going to play lots of different songs. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Oops, she'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Okay? So that's kind of our second lesson. We learned Jesus Loves Me with the 1 finger chords. That's lessons 1 and 2 for those of you that need a review. All right. Bye-bye.